Hello friends, this is CA Shaurabh Ghosh from Stockshow Deck. Today I am going to discuss the trade which we made on Friday. Last Friday को मैं हम लोग trade लिए थे and using our setup, how it is so useful to take a trade, we will be explaining as usual. So Friday ने क्या हुआ? Friday जब मार्केट खुला तो हम लोगों का जो स्कैनर है, ये स्कैनर यही हम लोगों का स्कैनर है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट लेटर ऑन. तो इसमें से हम लोगों का आया था आईसीआईसीआई बैंक. सो व्हेन द आईसीआईसीआई बैंक केम, we have seen what, that there is a gap up opening. This is where we closed on 28th of May, that is Thursday, and you see there is a gap. Okay, नाउ ये जो गैप है, गैप अप जो ओपनिंग हुआ है, यू कैन ऑलवेज सी द गैप. नाउ ये जो गैप है, दिस पर्टिकुलर गैप इज बेसिकली नॉट ट्रेडेबल पूरा इस एरिया में. ओके, नाउ अभी सो एट 9:15 वी हैव सीन ए बुलिश गैप अप विथ ए बुलिश कैंडल. ओके, ठीक है. सो गैप अप विथ ए बुलिश कैंडल, we could not trade. Okay, now let me delete the gaps. Let me delete. Just give me a second to delete. Now, so we have cleared. So without the setup, you are seeing entire ICICI Bank has given a very good move. बट ये मूव हम कैसे कैप्चर करेगा रनिंग मार्केट में. सो उसीलिए पहले मैं स्टॉक शो की जो ट्रेंड है, ये हम लोगों का फ्रेंड है. ट्रेंड इज ऑलवेज ए फ्रेंड. तो ये फ्रेंड कैसे बिहेव कर रहा था वो देखना था. ओके, एंड वी हैव सीन इन द ओपनिंग आवर्स व्हेन देयर वाज अ गैप अप, ओपनिंग आवर्स वी स्टार्टेड गॉट ए ग्रीन जोन. सो बेसिकली ये ग्रीन जोन में मूव हुआ है. सो विच इंडिकेट्स नाउ yesterday it was bearish in the red zone, today it has become bullish. Okay, now along with that we need also to open the stock show setup. This is our usual setup. तो हम लोग क्या देखा है, एज आई सेड, ये वाला जो गैप है, गैप में हमने ट्रेड कर नहीं पाया. एंड आवर once there was a gap up, our Nikala was satisfied. Where has Nikala satisfied? This is the candle where Nil Kalala. This is the candle where Nikala was satisfied. Okay, so what is our entry? Entry is high of this candle. That means our entry was around 626.95, say 627. Nikala satisfied. Why? After Nikala satisfied, we have also seen there is a yellow line. It has also crossed the yellow line, which is a very important line. Okay, so our trend is up, we are in a green zone, and then Nikala satisfied. So we have taken an entry about high of this candle, that is 627. Okay, so 627 में we also got another thing. So we have got another good signal here. There is a pink candle. So all these things was actually indicating us that we should buy. Now ये करने का बाद we have taken the rise all the way once till we had a bearish engulfing candle. Automatically this is a signal. So once this candle closed, we sold it at 633. Okay, at 633. So how much we have made? At from 627 to 633. 633 minus 627. How many points we have got? 6 points. Lot size of ICICI is 1375, if we multiply, in the morning straightway 8,250 rupees we got. How much we have got? 8,250. Now thereafter you are seeing the market has gone sideways. We could do nothing, and in fact this is the zone which is not tradable. This is the zone where you have complete squeeze. So this is not our zone, but we have also observed that this is a big squeeze. So therefore we are expecting the squeeze breakout. So at this level again, this is the level. At this level we have got again our Nikola satisfied with a supplementary what? X candle, diamond candle, again green zone, again it is rising. So therefore we have no doubt in our mind again there will be a big move, and then this time we bought about 634 till we got out at 643. So in fact we have entered in 634. So 634 minus 634, 643 minus 634, again we have got 9 points into 1375. One stock has given up more than 21,000 rupees. Okay, and I will see, important is not the money that you have got, important is the confidence and the ability to really trade with confidence, and this completely computer assisted technique which has actually made it possible. So this is how we actually trade. The system is so simple. If you look at the chart, again I am saying this is the point where we have taken the first entry, and see, without this setup you do not know whether this should be the really point we should talk about. Once the setup is shown, you are seeing a Nikola candle, why we have entered. Similarly, once we have got here, if we switch off, you do not know whether the diamond would be you have got or not. So therefore you also do not know. So once we switch on the setup, you got an X candle, X diamond. These are all computer assisted technique. So whenever we get this, along with that, if we see that we are in a green zone, we have no doubt that we will not be losing money. We will only be making profit. And look at the slope, look at how it is, how it has gone. And since we are about 230, we did not want to carry this for the next day, so we got out. This is how simple the setup is. So therefore, with only 2 trades in one particular stock, we have made 21,000 rupees. Now coming back to our scanner. So why ICICI Bank we have taken? We have a good scanner. So we have 2 types of scanner. Along with that, we have a concept of grandfather, father and son technique, where we can see everything in one dashboard. And this is very important. In this dashboard, what the sector is doing, what the stock is doing, everything can be seen here. So you can control, you have a lot of control here. Father green, then grandfather purple color, then you can set the for intraday you can set 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. So therefore this this will be shown here, and this is the mother of all mother of all dashboard. And then you have how the sector. Now if you are in bank, you can always set it to Bank Nifty, and then automatically it will change Bank Nifty to change to the Bank Nifty and all those stuff. So therefore we have lot of things in this dashboard which has made it possible for us to really use the grandfather, father, son technique quickly. At a glance we can see and we can do a trading. Now on the part of ICICI Bank and all those, you have 2 types of scanners. One is this is 2 types of different kind of scanner. So this is lightning scanner, which actually predicts that you will have a big move, and the moment you have you have this candle, you will have big move. Okay, and at the same time, can in other scanner, this is a diamond scanner, that this we have taken, this is very flexible, you can see, you can set in any time frame. See, for example, we have set it 1 hour, and then in 1 hour we have got Canbank scan. So if you now go to Canbank and change the chart to 1 hour, because we have set it to Canbank, set it to 1 hour. Canbank, if we set, and then 1 hour, see how beautifully you got what you have got, a diamond. So this actually tells you, but this scanner actually will find out at what point of time you will have diamond. So once you have a diamond, it's a very valuable scanner, so it indicates that it might go up. Okay, similarly, if we get, if you see indigo, let's say indigo, you have to have you will have to have that scanner to really show you the what do you say, your show that particular stock in a bar will come, like if I show you in Nifty, this kind of bar will come. So therefore this bar actually predicts that in the future, in a very short time frame, we are in a 5 minutes, so it will give a lightning speed, there will be a change. So therefore you see, then quickly it has actually moved very quickly. If you look at this, even if I go back, see, this scanner is actually telling you, these are all advanced things. So these these are the signals that you have been getting all along, and then thereafter, from here, just look at how big the move was, and in the process, once you have got another one, whenever you get this kind of bars, it actually alerts you about the next upcoming move, which is going to be very, very handsome move. Okay, and then if Nikala is satisfied, we can take these trades. And this is our advanced setup, very, very super advanced setup, which is also very, very expensive as well. But once you have this kind of setup, you can mint money. So if you think that from the stock market you would like to make money, these are the things you should have, and these are not available in market. Okay, this is our indigenously developed software, which actually helps you and guides you to take right trade. I only in the recent 6 months, I have been using this kind of setup, and believe it, this is such a super advanced setup that it gives so early signal that you cannot miss it. Here you have a bar, you have a here this you have a flag, and you also have a B signal. B is bending. This this is a very special curve that is bending. So whenever you take this, and then you can take a lomba ride, very, very long ride. Then again in Nifty, we take in all intraday trades of ours are based on this kind of this kind of scanner, this kind of setup. These are very super advanced setup. This is different from this setup. Okay, so therefore this these two setups are completely different. So therefore this is although we say it is a basic, but this is a super advanced setup. You can make money, but you can make more money with more confidence. With all these are automatic, everything is automatic, you don't have to do anything. And then you get special candles here, these yellow candles. These are all computer guided techniques. They know from where it is going to change, and therefore there are rules. So therefore once you know the rule, it is so easy for you to really follow this kind of setup. And it also has a dashboard, like when you drive a car, you have a dashboard. So what is the last traded price, current value, whether it is where it is located, it is above every support. Like, you know, it started off with a very long term daily moving average with the LOC, with the previous day low it is above, previous day high it is above, previous pivot point above, and it is above everything. So therefore automatically it gives you a running commentary. And you know, the color is also, you know, the color also changes. Like, you know, if I change it to, let's say, hourly chart, let's see whether what color it comes to. So there it is a green color again. Let us see whether it is which color it is coming. This is all green color. So yeah, you know, it gives you know, different kind of colors, so that you know whether it is let's go to US market. Let's go to US market. So it is equally you know, applicable to all the markets in all over the world. US market, you have this is red, so that means, you know, your trend is trend is weak. And then if you go to from 15 minutes to, let's say, 1 hour, let us see how the market behaves. You get these automatic very special candles, very special candles. So I just wanted to show you a different kind of see, this is basically, it has turned automatically into blue. And you know what is blue, what is the significance? If you take the mouse here, it will say that blue color is extremely bullish. Here you know, here it is shown blue color is extremely bullish blue. And why it is extremely bullish? Automatically it gives you the definition. It gives you a definition of green. So therefore definition of green is also bullish, but blue is extremely bullish. Red is, you know, red is pink is bearish, but red is extremely bearish. So these are the, you know, legends that you can during the course of the trading session. Automatically in every time frame you will be able to see whether it is bearish, bullish, extremely bearish, or extremely bullish, and accordingly, you know, you can take a call, you can take a trade. So this is so super advanced technique. And you cannot really, you know, trade without without fear. So here in this setup your fear is very less, because it is so super advanced setup. So dear friends, if you want to be a part of the stock show, below is my number. You can always call me, and I'm sure you'll be able to help you out. And of course, you know, if you want to be a part of stock market, then this is the place. These are the things that you will get in normal normal training, and other things that are available in YouTube. Or the trainers, either the trainers are trainer, or they are not trader, or the traders are not trainer. Here I trade and train both. So therefore, and also I'll give this software, so that it's not that, you know, after leaving, after giving some lecture, we will just go out like you know, most of the trainer does. We also give you a software which is basically immense, which is of immense value. You get this kind of basic software, which is also advanced level of software. I have shown you how to trade, how we have traded ICICI Bank. So therefore, these are the things that are available. You get scanners and all lot of stuffs are available. So therefore, we not only train, we also do trade. So therefore, you know, training and trading, and also you get software. This is a this is a bingo offer for all of you. So dear friends, if you want to be a part of our family, please do contact me in the below number. Till then, enjoy, be safe, and take care of everybody. This is C. Saurabh Ghosh from Stock Show Deck.